How to change basal on Omnipod 5. How to change basal rate on Omnipod 5. How to change basal on Omnipod 5. To change the basal rate on your Omnipod 5 system, you must be in manual mode, as basal program adjustments do not affect automated mode insulin delivery. Step 1. Switch to manual mode. From the home screen, navigate to the insulin tab. If you in automated mode, switch to manual mode to enable basal program editing. Step 2. Access basal programs. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, on the home screen. Select basal programs. Step 3. Edit the basal program. Choose the basal program you wish to edit. If it's the active program, you'll be prompted to suspend insulin delivery temporarily. Tap Edit to modify the program. Step 4. Adjust basal segments. Modify the time segments and corresponding basal rates as needed. Ensure the 24-hour period is fully covered with appropriate rates. Step 5. Save and resume insulin delivery. After making changes, tap Save. If you had suspended insulin delivery, remember to resume insulin to continue basal delivery. Step 6. Verify active basal program. Return to the Insulin tab on the home screen to confirm the active basal program and mode. Note: any changes to basal programs will only affect insulin delivery in manual mode. In automated mode, the system adjusts insulin delivery based on continuous glucose monitor, CGM, readings and other factors. Always consult with your healthcare provider before making significant changes to your insulin therapy settings.